Welcome back to the Prompt Index, where we pull back the curtain on AI research and unpack what it means for real-world vision systems. Today, we dissect a provocative idea, progressive image restoration via text-conditioned video generation, which asks, can a video generator trained on language-conditioned frames be repurposed to restore a single degraded image while learning a smooth, interpretable restoration trajectory? The core problem is simple but powerful. Restoration tasks like super resolution, deblurring, and low-light enhancement are usually framed as image-to-image mappings. This paper reframes them as a temporal process. Guide Cog Video to generate a short video that starts with a degraded frame and ends with a clean one. The last frame becomes the restored image, while the intermediate frames reveal the gradual improvement and help the model learn a restoration prior that respects both spatial detail and temporal coherence. The authors fine-tune Cog Video using 3 synthetic datasets built on Dive 2K to capture progressive degradation, resolution progression, blur to sharp, and low-light progression. Each sample is a 9-frame sequence from degraded to restored, stored at 1360 by 768 and 5 FPS. They experiment with 2 prompting strategies: uniform prompts shared across all samples, and scene-adaptive prompts generated by Eleva and refined with ChatGPT to reflect the scene. Fine-tuning is done with lightweight LoRa, so most parameters stay frozen. Inference takes a degraded image plus a prompt and outputs a video V equals I1 IT, with IT as the restored image. Across super resolution, deblurring, and low light, the model shows a consistent restoration trajectory. Frames progressively improve PSNR, SSIM, and reduce LPIPs. Scene-adaptive prompts generally outperform uniform, showing stronger semantic alignment. On Relobler, a real-world benchmark, the method achieves zero-shot robustness, producing temporally coherent, higher-quality restorations, even though trained only on synthetic progressions. They also present qualitative restoration trajectories and demonstrate strong frame-to-frame coherence across tasks. The zero-shot Relobler results hint at real-world deployment potential in photo and video editing pipelines. Limitations in future work. The approach relies on synthetic progressions and a fixed frame count. Extending to more degradations, higher resolutions, and real-time inference are open questions. Conclusion. This work demonstrates that treating restoration as a text-conditioned video generation problem yields a unifying, interpretable, and robust pathway to high-quality, temporally coherent restorations with broad applications. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free resources at the Prompt Index. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.